Many plants need pollinating. It's that combination. Some of them are wind pollinated, some plants are pollinated by water, raindrops as they're coming down, but many are pollinated by insects like bees, like lacewings and ladybirds, even butterflies that come into our garden. And the best way to attract them right at the beginning is to have plants that are particular favourites with the insects that come in. One of the big favourite is in fact the Digitalis. This is a foxglove here. Foxgloves can be toxic, so it's not a really, if you've got young children that go in and eat plants or any animals like that, it's a no for you. But if you're looking for just ornamental plants in the garden and you're not going to go and eat them, the Digitalis is one of the best. It's a really good plant for bees, and we've already had them around here at the moment before I started talking. Bumblebees like them. It's good landing. Look at that, they can just land on that lip and then get straight in. So they really love them. I kid you not, you'll see hundreds of bees visiting here for the, and another open throat one is something like honeysuckle is another really good one because it's got that open neck, so there's a structure for the bees to be able to land on and then investigate in. It's a marvellous plant. Another real winner here is Delphiniums, and look at the flowers on those. I mean, you can get dwarf ones now, but most of them grow up to about 1 metre, something like that, and a sunny border. They love the sun, and the sun came out just as I said that, and this is just going to keep flowering and flowering as it grows. Now this is a Scabiosa. Okay, it's really gorgeous. It always looks like a pin cushion, doesn't it? With loads of pins stuck in the top, but bees, they just love them. And that plant will keep flowering and flowering from spring right the way through to the autumn. It's always best to deadhead, pull off any of the flower heads that are finished, but the butterflies, they love them. And it's things like the Scabiosa and Buddleia, you know, beautiful Buddleias. You get long trails of flowers with those that will attract them in. Little Verbenas. My daughter's planted these. We had them as little plug plants from the local garden centre, and it's grown so much. It's been if you've got a greenhouse, things have done really well at the moment. It's the cold mornings that have held a lot of plants back. But Verbenas, and it's a massive family, Verbena. It's not just these bedding ones here. You've also got some of the tall ones that grow into borders, herbaceous borders like Bonariensis, and there's another one, a little globe version too.